Hello YouTube Nation, it's Michael Kennedy of the Moving to Delaware Beaches channel and the Move to DE team here, covering the entire state of Delaware. We are here in Ellendale. Where the heck is Ellendale? It is right next to Milton, Delaware, the 19968 zip code. But realistically, based on this location, I really want to call this a Milton community. You're closer to in-town Milton than you are to in-town Ellendale, and Milton has so much more to offer. So the reality is we are here, we've been here before, but we were here before to feature capstone homes. Now we're here to feature Hovnanian homes and take a look at these beautiful two models behind us, the Adriatic and the Caspian. There's some people in the Caspian, so we're going to fly through the Adriatic first, and we're going to talk a little bit about what the HOA covers, why is it key to buy a home here. So thanks for tuning in, and let's get in this model and take a peek. Home to the Adriatic, guys. So come on in. So you've got this beautiful foyer. You can see all the way to the back of the house and the back windows. But off here to the side and the front, and this is where we're going to start off, is you've got that flex room, just like we had in the Caspian. It doesn't have any French doors, but it's a great space. And then as you come back down, you've got your hall bathroom for the two guest rooms that are right here. And then you've got your linen closet and then both of the guest bedrooms. This one here being the bigger. This one they put a day bed in, which is a little bit tighter, but I think you could get away with a full-size bed without the dresser, and I think that that would be super comfortable from that perspective. So right across from the flex space, this is where that conditioned crawl space access is from. So again, like all the other K-Hov homes that we've ever toured, you've got this amazing space down here, which is the footprint of the entire first floor. So 1973 square footage upstairs, 1973 square footage down here. Now, granted, as you can see with me bending, you're not going to be having any dance parties down here, but the reality is you can store your paint in a conditioned space. You've got easy access to your April air filter, any service work on your unit that you need, and as well as any kind of Rubbermaid containers you wanted to throw down here. This is absolutely fantastic, and you've got the concrete slurry coat, so this is not ever getting wet. Now, we've already looked at the guest quarters. Now we come into the main living space, and you've got a really nice sized kitchen in here. Again, you've got your quartz countertops. You did the gray cabinets. They did the gray with the cabinets and the light with the quartz versus the Caspian. They kind of flip-flopped that around a little bit, but you've got this great bar area. You've got the farmhouse look. So again, you've got those different looks packages where, depending on if it's a quick move-in home, like they have one of this house, it's priced at $459. It's going to be an August, September delivery, or if you do a to-be-built on one of the the to-be-built home sites that they've got in the future phase. The great part is you can pick your looks package and just the different feel for the house. Off the kitchen area, you've got your pantry right here, and then you've got your garage access. So I'm going to get out of my cameraman's way just so you can get a shot of that garage for you, which that is a true two-car garage. No extra flex space in there or bump outs, but definitely gonna be able to get your vehicles in there. So we've got the great room in here, and I always talk about how many butts can we fit. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could definitely get another chair in here too, or make the sectional a little bit bigger and get rid of the end table. But you've got a really nice space, and then you've got easily seating for 8, which is a great space here. And then just like in the Caspian, you do have this beautiful screened-in porch. I always make sure I'm not gonna walk through a screen. Here they did a table next door. They did a living room, so it gives you the different feel for both. But again, I always talk about it with new construction. Lot selection is key to me. Unless you are so price driven that you have to be at a specific price and you can't spend any more, I would tell you realistically, it's worth paying the premium, because what makes your house unique when you go to sell it 5, 7, 10 years down the road, it's going to be the home site. This is the most popular plan in the community, which means more people are going to buy the Adriatic. But, if you're on a back-to-back, you're on a fishbowl lot, or if you've got a private home site, that's what's going to make the world a difference. And it's all about what is going to make you feel great about living in your home on a daily basis. For this kitchen and entry hallway, you've got this closet here, which is going to be the water heater, which is electric. And then we go around here and you've got your primary bedroom, which is kind of tucked away. Actually, off to the left, if your camera shoot there, you've got your laundry room there, which is nice. And they did the tub, and then you also have a coat closet right here. And then you walk in here and you've got a really nice primary suite. So they've got a king size bed with the nightstands, and then you walk into your bathroom. And again, for the price point, you can't beat this because you're looking at double vanity with the nice walk-in shower. It doesn't have the tiled seat or anything too fancy, but again, to be under $460,000, this is a lot of house, right under 2,000 square feet. And then you get the water closet here. And if you want to just pop in that closet just to show everybody that would be perfect. So now we're going to take a look at the Caspian and see what this 2,400 foot behemoth here in the Captain's Way community has to offer. Welcome home to the Caspian, guys. So obviously, in true Caha fashion, Big Bird can walk into this home with the 8-foot entry door. Here you've got your flex room off to the side. No French door option, but you do have this space, which is perfect for a home office. You also have your laundry room off to the side, which is really nice because that's a good size. And then you've got your crawl space entranceway, which we've definitely taken a look at these before. So this is again where you come down, you walk into the space. You can see they are using it for storage purposes for the model, but you've got great spot to put your paint, Rubbermaid containers, especially right here at the base of the staircase, which is nice. And then you've got access to all of your utilities down here. So coming off of this entrance foyer in the Caspian, you do have your powder room here off to the side, which is nice because it's away from the living area. That's always an awkward moment for guests. If they have to go to the bathroom, you can hear them right there. Staircase up to the second floor, which is included with this house. And then off to the side, what makes this house key is you do have a first floor primary suite in here. So you can see king size bed, poster style, or the canopy style, dresser, nightstands, and then you've got your full bath over here as well, which is really nice. So you've got your water closet behind this door. You've got your shower. I like this with the sliding glass doors, which is nice, and the tile detail. You've got your double vanity, and then you've come in here and you've got a really nice sized walk-in closet. Again, everybody's going to put a window treatment on this. It is nice to have the natural light in the bathroom, but it does take away from some of the cloud storage. But again, you've got a really high ceiling, and again, you could definitely do a custom closet in here and give yourself a lot more storage. So you come in here into the main living area, and you've got an amazing great room with the 3 windows across the back. You've got your dining area, and then you have your kitchen, which I think this looks fantastic with the white cabinets and the gray quartz. And just look at how much countertop space you have in this. And this is what is unique about a 2-story home, especially in here, is you've got a lot of work surface area. You've got, there's stainless steel appliances, and you do still have a pantry in this kitchen as well, which obviously they've got lots of items stored in. And then kind of back behind us here, this is obviously where the garage is, but this is where their office is right now. So, the whole garage space is through that area. And then you do have a little coat closet here, which is on the back side of the staircase, which is convenient. So off the kitchen and the dining area, you have the screen and porch option right here, which again, it's not a huge space, so you're not gonna have living area and eating. So I'd tell you, you pick one or the other. You either put a dining table out here, or you have this as like a cool living area. This is where lot selection is key. At this point in the community, they don't have any of their 0 premium home sites left. So there's going to be some sort of home site premium to any of the remaining home sites that they have. But I would tell you it's well worth it, because if you can sit out and look out your bank of windows from your bedroom, your great room, your dining area, and see a beautiful pond lot or tree lot, I would totally tell you it's worth the extra money. So coming up to the second floor, up here, we've got this gigantic loft area with the windows across the front of the house. So this is awesome because you've got 3 bedrooms, another full bathroom, and this loft included with this layout, which is absolutely perfect because, we step over here. Which way should we go, Cam? To the right. We're going to the right. So you've got, another very big bedroom. I mean, this is a great space. Layout-wise, it's always a little tricky with the 2 windows. I would teeter between the two walls for the bed. But again, that's personal preference. You've got a closet over in the corner. Here, you've got the double closet. Dun, 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 dun. Hello, water heater. Great for additional storage. And then you've got your other bedroom right here with a closet in the corner as well. Off to the side of the loft, we already saw our 2 other guest bedrooms, but here you've got your hall bath with the double vanity and then the separate area for the shower and for the commode. And then off to the back corner, you have another guest bedroom here, which again, ample size for 2 twin beds. So you could put a king bed in here, could put queen with 2 nightstands, and you've got a big double closet over here in this corner as well. So as you guys can see, the Caspian is a great layout, and this is a really functional layout for, you know, retired couples that are looking to have everything on one level for themselves, but want to throw the kids upstairs. But also this could be a good family home. So this one's very versatile where it works for, you know, both different generations. And the biggest thing I look at from here is this one you can be all in under 500, really well appointed. So again, if you're looking for a good value in the Milton area, you can't beat Captain's Way with K. Hov. Thank you for tuning in on this episode of Captain's Way with K. Hovnanian Homes, where we got to see the Adriatic model home, which is what we're in right now, and their most popular floor plan, as well as the Caspian 2,400 square foot 2-story. But again, this community is really good for my cost-conscious buyer that wants to be under 500, but realistically in the mid 400s. Mid 400s, you can do it all day long. So even like that 450, 460 range, you're gonna be really happy with this community. Pool, clubhouse, community garden, the playground area. Only thing they don't do for you is lawn maintenance. But you know what, $156 a month, you know, that's to be expected, which is fantastic. But don't forget, like and subscribe down below, and most importantly, give me a call. I really want to help you with your journey to Delaware. You know, if it's a second home, if it's your primary home, it's your retirement home, you deserve the knowledge and the wealth of information that I've got, and I can't wait to talk to you and tell you more about this community and everything else the Delaware Beaches has to offer. Thanks for tuning in, guys.